explore Tokyo again!
Slow down, Noah.
First, we eat breakfast.
Noah!
Breakfast time.
I am hungry.
Let's go together.
Do not run, Noah.
Okay. Noah! Stop!
Why did it stop?
Stay calm.
I'm sorry.
Everything is okay.
Do not scare me again. I will be careful.
There is so much food.
Everything looks different.
It looks beautiful. My mouth is burning! Pass that space. You look funny! My tongue hurts!
Poor Noah.
Tokyo is complicated.
Please, Noah! This city is amazing!
Invalid ticket.
Oh no.
Dad is lost again! Do not laugh!
Careful, Noah.
This place is huge!
We are finally ready.
This train is beautiful.
I hope this is the correct one.
Please be correct.
Wait, wrong train.
Wrong train again?
I made a mistake.
This is fun!
Everybody move quickly!
Hold Noah's hand. This station looks strange.
What is this place?
I think an arcade district.
It is huge. This place is incredible. There are games everywhere.
This place is enormous.
Stay together.
I want the dragon!
Let's try.
Good luck, Noah.
Whoa! That was so close!
I recorded everything. Look at your face.
Delete that video! Hello? My name is Hana. I am Mia. Nice to meet you. Follow the arrows. This is difficult!
You look funny! Mia is improving.
Maybe a little.
Dad, racing games!
Okay.
Do not run!
We will win! Ready? Go!
Slow down!
is missing.
What?
Maybe you dropped it.
It is not here.
Everyone search carefully.
Fine. Head near the games. Detective Noah is searching! Did you see a phone?
Maybe over there.
Let's check quickly.
All our photos are inside.
We will find it.
Wait! I found it! I found the phone!
Great job, Noah.
Thank you, Noah.
You are welcome.
It is starting to rain. I like rain.
We need shelter.
Stay close together.
Watch the puddles! This is fun! Are those robots?
Let's go inside.
This place looks crazy. This place is incredible! Everything is moving.
Welcome to Tokyo.
Is it real?
Welcome!
It scared you!
Goodbye, Mia.
Thank you, Hana. Take care. She was very kind. This food looks funny!
Take a picture first.
Do not touch it yet.
My jacket!
That was amazing!
Today was a long day.
But a beautiful day.
Tokyo is magical. Who sent this?
What a long day.
Good night, everyone.
Who are you?
Mia?
Tomorrow night. Today is our last day.
Let's make it special.
I'm still tired.
Come alone tonight. This is strange. What are you looking at?
Just messages. Can we buy everything?
Absolutely not.
Choose one thing.
I am Samurai Noah!
Very dangerous.
You look ridiculous. Samurai Noah protects Tokyo! Noah, be careful!
This video is perfect.
Put the sword down.
strong samurai.
Really?
Now he is official.
Samurai Noah is ready.
For what?
Adventure!
A real samurai? I think it is a robot.
Maybe both.
Ready? I was born ready! Samurai, attack!
Are you okay? Best samurai ever!
Brave warrior.
Thank you!
Now he has a reward.
Why do they keep texting me?
Mia, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. That cloud is food? Yes, somehow.
One giant cotton candy, please.
This is impossible!
You are losing the battle.
Your face is pink now.
This place is huge. Tokyo is beautiful at sunset.
This is
Mia, what happened?
nothing. I just saw someone. They disappeared. Let's find dinner.
Good idea.
Yeah, dinner. I am starving! This place smells amazing. I will be right back. This feels wrong. Who are you?
Mia?
How do you know my name? Sorry for scaring you. You sent the messages?
Your videos help me learn English. Really?
You drew all this? Yes.
Thank you, Mia. This is beautiful.
Mia, there you are.
We were worried! Dad? I am sorry.
You scared us.
Do not disappear again.
Your family helped me learn English. She only wanted to meet us.
Oh, I understand now.
Next time, tell us first.
I promise. Can I see the bracelet? Peace offering. Thank you.
That is surprisingly kind.
Goodbye, Mia. Goodbye.
What a strange night.
A good night.